itai. Ouch! It hurts. We use itai, for example, while we are sewing. Itai! Or歯が痛い。歯が痛い。This way. And 言いたい。言いたい consists of the verb 言う which means to say or to tell, and the verb helper たい which means to want to something. So 言いたい means to want to say. 痛い言いたい痛い言いたい So we can say 痛いと言いたい痛いと言いたい While we're in the funeral or some place where we have to be quiet, have to be silent, and someone stepped on your feet with high heel or something. 痛いと言いたい痛いと言いたいでも我慢 Please notice that 言いたい You should say い twice 言いたい Don't worry about it too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese speech accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。